This sneaker features a sleek black nubuck upper, contrasted with striking blue accents on the midsole, lace wings, and inner lining. The iconic mesh paneling on the side gives it that signature Air Jordan 4 look. And of course, we have the classic Jumpman logo on the tongue and heel, adding that premium touch. The overall design is bold, stylish, and built for both performance and everyday wear. Now, let's talk about why this shoe is not just about looks but also about performance. The Air Jordan 4 Retro Blue Thunder comes with a durable rubber outsole, providing excellent traction whether you're on the court or on the streets. The visible air unit in the sole ensures superior cushioning, making every step feel comfortable. The premium nubuck leather offers a luxurious feel, while the mesh panels keep the shoe breathable. Whether you're rocking them casually or balling on the court, this pair delivers in both style and comfort. So, why should you grab a pair of these Jordan 4 Retro Blue Thunder? First, it's a legendary colorway that pays tribute to the original Thunder 4s. Second, the bold blue and black combination makes it a standout sneaker that turns heads wherever you go. Third, it's an instant classic, whether you're a collector, a Jordan fan, or just someone who loves fresh kicks, this pair belongs in your rotation. If you're looking for high-quality replica sneakers at unbeatable prices, Rsnow.net is the perfect place to shop. They offer a massive selection of sneakers from top brands like Air Jordan, Balenciaga, Dior, Asics, and more. Whether you're after the latest hype releases or timeless classics, this website ensures you get premium quality sneakers at a fraction of the retail price. We understand that trust is everything when shopping online, which is why Rsnow.net is featured on Trustpilot. You can find genuine customer reviews that prove the legitimacy and reliability of the website. Many satisfied buyers have shared their experiences, praising the product quality, fast shipping, and excellent service. Don't just take our word for it, check out the reviews yourself and shop with confidence. Here's the best part, use our exclusive discount code, RSNOW, at checkout to get 15% off your purchase. For example, these sneakers originally cost $89, but after applying our discount code, you'll pay only $75.65. This is a fantastic deal that makes high-quality sneakers even more affordable. Don't miss out, use the code and save big. The Rsnow.net team is dedicated to providing the best shopping experience for sneaker lovers. Their customer support team is always ready to assist with any questions or concerns. Whether you need help selecting the right size, tracking your order, or resolving any issue, they are available to provide quick and professional support. Shopping with Rsnow.net means you're backed by a team that genuinely cares about your satisfaction. And that's a wrap on today's unboxing. What do you think about the Jordan 4 Retro Blue Thunder? Would you add this to your collection? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an unboxing. I've got more heat coming your way, so stay tuned. This is Rsnow Unbox, signing off, catch you in the next one.